So yeah, now then guys, not done a video for a while, but today, going to a meet, so I thought I might as well make a little video, show you some cool cars, see what happens, we'll see what goes down, so yeah, see if you enjoy it, and then if you do, make a few more of these, see what happens. Just so you all know, I'm going to be making some content with this little thing soon, but for today, we're taking the Astra. Gotta have a good song selection to go on a meet, so yeah, now then guys, kind of just wrapped it up a little bit short. Obviously, nothing really exciting happened, but I thought, still make a video, just let me know what you think. Obviously, I'll go to all the meets, hopefully more exciting things will happen than last night, but yeah. Like I say, if you enjoyed it, drop a like, drop a comment, tell us some content that you want to see, and hopefully I'll get back to making more content for you all. So yeah, thank you, catch you in a bit.